Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. If you are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. In this video I am going to be talking about DTF and the process of it. Now, I have had my DTF printer for about a month now, give or take, and I just want to talk about, do I regret getting a DTF printer? Do I regret getting into the process of DTF altogether? But also, while we are doing this video, I am going to be doing some DTF on a couple of shirts. And I want to thank Gozye for sending me this film as well as this powder to go ahead and try out. I will have a link for their products down below if you are interested in trying out their film and their powder. But in today's video, like I said, we're going to be doing some DTF shirts using their products. But I'm also going to be talking about if I regret getting into DTF and if DTF is something I plan on being in long term. Okay, but check out these prints. I love that. But yeah, this is what we're doing today. This is what we're talking about today. So if you want to hear about my opinion about DTF, go ahead and stick around. Alright guys, so this is the print coming out of the printer. I did end up having to print another one because it got kind of cut off a little bit. That was on me. But you see how white that white is? Like, that white has to be white in order for your print to come out right. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some of the DTF powder that Gozye sent me on the back of this print. This is also the film that they sent me as well. And then we're going to go ahead and cure this in our curing oven. But I just put it on the back of it, and then I just kind of shift it back and forth to make sure it covers the whole back of the print. And then I'm going to knock any excess off onto my tray. And then we're going to cure it in our curing oven, and it is set to 100 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to cure it for 200 seconds. And this oven is so convenient, you guys. It is so convenient. And then now I'm just gonna go ahead and press my shirts. But like I said, as far as like DTF and actually getting into the process of using an actual DTF printer, because this is not a hack, this is DTF ink. I'm using it, I printed it on my DTF printer. But do I like actual DTF printing? And I will say that I absolutely love it. I love the versatility that it gives. With sublimation, like, you're just kind of limited to color as well as fabrics that you're able to use when it comes to making a t-shirt. When it comes to DTF, there's really no limitations. Okay, there's no limitations as far as color, as far as material and things like that. You just have so much more versatility. I've said it a couple times, but the only issue I'm having is the fact that I have a small DTF printer. I definitely am looking into getting a new bigger DTF printer to work with, just because I really feel like a bigger DTF printer would benefit my business. I currently don't sell any crafts, but I am looking to get into selling crafts, and I just want to do it the most, I guess, the easiest way possible, just because I do have so much going on with my kids and, you know, my home life. I want to be able to get back into selling crafts easily, and I feel like DTF is definitely the way for me to go with that. You guys, I love this design on this shirt. My son is gonna absolutely love it. His birthday is on Thursday, which is December 8th. From the time I'm recording this, his birthday is in a couple days, on December 8th. He is gonna absolutely love that shirt. But now what I'm doing, we did go ahead and press it for 45 seconds at 325 degrees, and then we have to wait for it to completely cool. This is a cool peel, and now I'm going in with my second press on this shirt. Now I can't remember if I did my second press on the other shirt or not. I may have. But yep, you definitely want to make sure you do that second press for at least 20 seconds. That really solidifies the print into the shirt so that it's seamless and you don't really feel it. I mean, you can feel it a tiny bit, but not really after you do that second press. All right, and I am peeling the film off of the second shirt now. And then we're going to go ahead and press it again for another 20 seconds. But yeah, my overall opinion of DTF, I absolutely love it. I do want to get into selling transfers and t-shirts and things like that. and merch and, you know, all of those things in 2023. I got to get my hands on a couple of new printers, sublimation and DTF. So definitely keep an eye out for that. All right, guys, so I do have my shirts pressed here, and I want to kind of, this is basically like a 30-day recap for me. I have had my DTF printer for about 30 days now, and I did want to, number one, talk about I don't even have it over here with me. I wanted to talk about the powder as well as the film that I'm using today. So this is the brand. Okay, and I use this for both of these. Okay, definitely love it. It was easy to work with, no issues at all whatsoever. Color is popping as always. So I definitely like this. They gave me the A4 size, which is basically the same size as my printer. I can do 8.5 by 14, but this one's fine as well. And it came in a 50 sheet pack. I will have a link for this down below. And then it also came with the powder. It doesn't say whether it's medium or fine. Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't say if it's medium or fine powder, so I'm not sure. But this is the brand Gozye. Okay, so I definitely love how the images came out. Now, as far as like my DTF printer, I have been using my DTF printer for about a month now, and I don't regret getting into DTF at all whatsoever. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Way better than sublimation. You just have so much more versatility with it. Okay, do you see these colors on this black shirt? I didn't have to do any weeding. I didn't have to do any hack. I didn't have to line anything up. It just printed and went. Okay, the only thing that I regret is having a smaller sized printer. So I am definitely looking into some larger printers, because I definitely want to get into DTF printing as like a business, and then maybe selling shirts or selling transfers or something like that. I have had some people reach out to me in regards to selling transfers. The only reason why I'm not trying to get into it just yet is because I'm very limited on the size transfers that I can sell, and I don't really want to be limited. If I'm going to sell transfers, I want to be able to sell any size in any amount. So right now with the printer that I have, it's very kind of like home based. It's small. Okay, so I'm looking at different printers to try to upgrade to get a bigger size. Other than that, I don't regret DTF at all whatsoever. I absolutely love it. It is definitely a business upgrade for sure. If you are in the t-shirt business and you're not, you know, really ready to get into like the direct to garment, which I'm not even sure if direct to garment is better than DTF. I don't know. I've never tried the direct to garment. But if you're definitely looking to elevate past sublimation and regular vinyl, DTF is definitely, it's fun. I love it. I definitely love it. I would just say, if you're going to invest in a DTF printer, definitely go big the first time around so you don't have to upgrade later. Okay? But that is all I have for this video, guys. I will have all products linked down below for you guys to check out. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop them down below. Any video ideas, drop those down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until next time, bye guys.